row 5, we are making the foundation for the next rows of the flower and leaves motifs. So to begin the row, we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet on the stitch that is attached to the beginning chain 3 right there. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and skip this pair of leaves and single crochet on the next chain 3 space. Then chain 5, we will repeat this set of stitches across. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip these 2 stitches, the double crochet stitch and the double crochet 3 together stitch, and jump to the next chain 3 and single crochet there. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the same space. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 3. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space. So we will repeat from chain 5 from this stitch to the single crochet after the first pair of leaves. So that's our repeating stitches. So to repeat, we chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space, then chain 3, single crochet on the same space, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, then repeat. So to repeat, we just chain 5, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, then chain 3. So on top of the flower we are making chain 3, we are making single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. Chain 5 again, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space. So on this last single crochet, because we are at the edge of the project, then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, just like we did right here. So chain 3 and 2 double crochet on the second chain of the beginning chain 4. So we skip that chain there and make 2 double crochet on the next stitch. So that is the end of row 5. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.